In this video, you will get to know the procedures and tools which are necessary to inspect and document the quality of your PROFINET installation. PROFINET is an Ethernet-based communication protocol. Participants communicate in parallel and independent from each other. PROFINET uses a switched medium with 100 megabit full duplex. Identical information is therefore only available from point to point. In the course of commissioning, you have to check the cabling, the correct communication of the installed PROFINET devices, and the network design. In the course of network acceptance, you need to document the network inventory and the topology. Once you have successfully started up your installation, I recommend to document the overall condition for two reasons. Firstly, as a reference for ongoing operations, and secondly, for future maintenance work. Now, let's have a look at the tools with which you can perform these tasks easily and in a time-efficient manner. The NetExpert 1400 is an all-in-one solution for cable qualification and troubleshooting of active networks. It tests and documents the capability of cabling links to support gigabit Ethernet operations. This is done in compliance with the IEEE 802.3 standard. Irrespective of the category of cables and connectors installed, a pass-fail result indicates whether the existing cabling can support data rates up to 1 gigabit per second. With the use of real data, the NetExpert 1400 performs fault rate tests in order to define whether 100 megabit or 1 gigabit can be transmitted without faults. In addition, parameters will be shown which have an effect on signal quality. These are the signal-to-noise ratio and the delay skew. A TDR measurement will determine pair lengths and the distance to faults. The continuity check of all 8 cables and shielding are shown on full color wire map. Faults due to interruptions, short circuits, miswires, and split pairs are clearly depicted. The NetExpert 1400 saves the results and produces colored protocols which document the cabling. For an efficient inspection and documentation of such PROFINET installations, the software solution THLink PC and THScope is employed. The THLink PC is an intelligent network agent and applies various protocols through which data is collected from the network and its participants. The software application THScope makes this data available to users and documents it. The monitoring of the network status can also be integrated into higher-level visualizations. This supports a smooth operation of the facility as well as a targeted, time-saving maintenance and repair if necessary. The communication of devices can be easily checked in the topology view. Here, the participants and the status are clearly laid out. You can apply filters for depicting various information, such as the transmitting medium, bandwidth, or loss packages. In the case of loss packages, you can check the network statistics for the type of problem or loss. Select the appropriate participant. This will lead to more detailed insights at the port level, such as the level of utilization and package losses. In other views of THScope, you will find information about the frequency of diagnosis and losses, diagnostic messages, and peak loads. In addition to the information on communication quality, data on individual participants such as inventory data, topology, and documentation are important. THScope displays inventory data such as the network configuration, order numbers, as well as hardware and firmware versions. Via the print function, you can now save the topology entirely or as a partial view via PDF. After successful commissioning, the good state of your network can be saved for future reference. Later on during operations, you will have a point of comparison to the actual state of the network. This will enable you to more easily identify possible differences and potential sources of errors. Often, already small changes, like in this case an inverted port with connectivity issues, are causing package losses in the network. Please visit our website for further information on PROFINET installations and commissioning, and on what our products can do for you.